Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Testosterone ELISA Test Kit. I'll just show you around the box. This is the top of the box, this is bottom. You can see this here. It says Calbiotech Testosterone ELISA Test Kit. The reference part number, lot number is given, and we have the manufacturing date, expiry date. You got the 96 well plate test kit. You can see the temperature range is 2 to 8, and the key contents inside is also given in the pack. The CIVD certified and manufactured in the US. This is the Calbiotech Testosterone ELISA Kit. I'm going to open this box for you. You can see this here, it says Calbiotech Testosterone ELISA Kit. The Calbiotech Testosterone ELISA Kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of testosterone in human serum or plasma. The key contents is also shown here. You see this. This IFU brochure has the complete procedure from the principle and assay procedure and the key contents and how to interpret your results. So how to calculate your results. So you have all the information for conducting your test. Just keeping this here. And there is one certificate of analysis. There is certificate of analysis. You can see this here, the catalog number. And then you have says Calbiotech Testosterone ELISA. And the key contents also mentioned here. You can see there is one 96 microvel plate coated with streptavidin. And then you have the testosterone standard 1 to 6. The enzyme conjugate 1 bottle, acid dilute 1 bottle, anti-testosterone biotin reagent and TMB substrate 1 bottle, wash concentrate 1 bottle and stop solution 1 bottle. This is the key contents. I'll just open this for you. I show this, you can see this. This is streptavidin coated wells 2 to 8 and 86 wells. You can see this is the 96. This is a 96 well plate. Inside there is the bottles. I'll just quickly go through one by one. Okay, you can see this is wash concentrate 20x 25 ml bottle. You can see this here. I'll just put it back. Biotin reagent 2 to 8 7 ml. And then you have assay diluent 2 to 8 12 ml. TMB substrate 12 ml, and then stop solution 12 ml, and you have one standard. You can see this testosterone standard 1. Putting it back, and testosterone standard 2. And testosterone standard 3, testosterone standard 4, and testosterone standard 5, and testosterone standard 6. See this here, enzyme conjugate. Quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of Testosterone ELISA Test Kit, and each 96 well plate kit you get one IFU brochure, one certificate of analysis and 96 well plate, and the different solutions here are the testosterone standard 1 to 6, and you get enzyme conjugate, and you get as a assay diluent, anti-testosterone biotin reagent and TMB substrate and wash concentrate on stop solution bottle. This is how the test kits looks like. This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.